Alright, we're back again here with Project Minitruck, and I picked up someone else's junkyard build for $500. The reason I bought this pile of shit is because of the rear end here. It's got a 488, and the other reason why, this is my favorite part, is the engine, which I'm going to be putting in the 79 Toyota if you've been following that. So we got a performer RPM intake, Holly carb, and look at the back of the block here. You can see the code. It's 3970010. And on the front here, you got a, I can't see it here. It's kind of hard to look at. It's a CGC block, so I think that's from my El Camino. And it does have a turbo 350, which only has 2 gears left. Reverse and third are gone, so we're gonna go ahead and probably just take that trans and sell it or something. Maybe I'll rebuild it before I sell it. And then I'm probably gonna get like a Muncie 4-speed or something. But yeah, it's pretty decent. Came with the stereo and gauges and stuff. I'll probably steal those. It's got a B&M shifter, floor shifter. I'll include a video of me driving a little bit. But yeah, it's got some parts that I'll probably try to get rid of, like the tires and stuff. Whatever else I could sell. And then the motor, the rear end, they're gonna go on the Toyota pickup. And I'm gonna probably do something with that trans, like I said. But yep, $500 running, driving 350.